Hey everyone, Rachel here with vicrez.com, welcoming you back to our channel. Today we'll be showcasing another hot ticket item out of the 7-piece carbon fiber Nissan GT-R Nismo styled body kit offered by Vicrez for your R35. 559 is a pair, or rather a set of 2 Nissan GT-R Nismo styled carbon fiber side skirts for your 2009 to 2008 R35 vehicles. So to all of our 2009 to 2018 Nissan GT-R owners, drivers, and R35 enthusiasts who are looking to replicate that iconic body style that was once limited only to Nissan's signature Nismo, this one is for you. You'll fall in love with the look of your GT-R all over again at your next car meet or every time your tires grab some traction on the street. You'll have an aero aesthetic upgrade made specifically for your Nissan GT-R that is uniquely Nismo and uniquely you. Plus, with weight reduction being a major goal for those up-and-coming racers and drifting superstars, as well as something that is very important to those successful speed aficionados, you will be pleased to find that our standard for quality is high. These Nismo-style carbon fiber side skirts were made from carbon materials rated at an aerospace grade level, compared to the more common and readily available commercial grade carbons, providing you with a set of side skirt panel splitters that are both lightweight and durable. You'll now have a product that is up to 80% lighter than your GT-R stock factory parts. So reduce that curb weight, revamp your curb appeal, and don't bother to curb your enthusiasm. With Vicrez, you'll get the products that you like, with the top quality that you love, all from a company that you can trust. We already know that every Nismo feels like a Nismo with Nissan, so why shouldn't you make your Nissan look like a Nismo with Vicrez? By combining the use of both 3D scanning and CAD data, we are able to capture engineering optimizations that ensure that our Vicrez parts will fit onto your vehicle on the first try. However, carbon fiber does require a specialized skill to install, and as such, Vicrez does recommend professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting any DIY or self-installation. Just please make sure you test fit all aftermarket products before they are painted, installed, or modified in any way. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. We have new videos out every week. Just make sure you hit that like button below and head on over to our channel to subscribe. For those looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight over to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter now.